go into certain meals and what techniques are used. The chicken with herb tahini sauce says cauliflower tabbouleh with. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today what I'm going to be doing is kind of like a thrift flip slash upcycling. So many of these clothing items that I do have, I'm going to show you guys before I start getting into like the whole basics of what I'm planning on doing with the items and what I ended up doing with the items. So I'm filming this like I didn't like make the outfits or anything yet, so hopefully everything goes as planned. So, oh my god's so pretty. Make sure I'm filming. So what I'm planning on doing is sewing some of these items. I think I might be using some fabric glue if I get a little lazy. I do have a sewing machine. I'm not like super efficient with it, but for little things and little projects I can definitely use it. Then I also am going to be painting on my like pants and jeans. I might be bleaching a couple of things, not sure yet, depending on what style I find on Pinterest. All right, let's get into it. Next item that I'm going to be flipping is a flip, and I got this from American Thrift in Paterson, New Jersey. I think it's Paterson. It's New Jersey. So I'll definitely link that place down below. Their like sales are off the charts. I keep getting like message alerts like on my cell phone, and it's like, oh, if you come today, you get 50% off. Like I will be there because your stuff is like $5 already. So I got this nautical dress, and I definitely like that this like little piece here was like pinched, and I think that it'd be cute as like a crop top and a skirt bottom, or maybe even shorts. I've never even made shorts, but I have like an elastic, so I think I'm just gonna put the elastic in so that at the top cut it, and then maybe just go from there. I'm not sure about the shorts, hot and whatnot, so I just wanted to put on a t-shirt. So small little button. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut it now and then decide afterward. I think I'm just gonna make it a skirt because the way the bottom is, it's really cute. And I have a bunch of different elastics that I've gotten out of like different clothing, so I'm just gonna use this to put in between. So yeah, and I keep making a line in the middle, which I don't know why that's happening. So I'm just gonna keep playing around with it until I feel like it's completely straight. You can even iron this out if you wanted to. I'm not taking that step because I don't feel like I need to. I also didn't like check it on myself where I wanted to, which is also nothing. Put it on and then draw a line. But you know what? I like things super cropped, and if this is gonna be like crazy cropped, I can always just make this more high-waisted. So I got this rotary cutter from, I think I got it from Michael's. Yeah, I got it from Michael's. But you can also get it from Target, which I was like kind of upset because they were like a 50-cent difference. Whatever. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut right over. I think I'm gonna go right here. All right, we're good. Oh, perfect. So I cut the bottom, the top. So this would be the top. Kind of cute. It's gonna be super short. I might go back in and like touch up those little raw edges that I messed up. But I'm gonna put this aside. Literally. It's kind of on the floor, but like whatever. And then this is what we have to work with for the skirt. So pretty long, but yeah. So what I'm gonna do now is just make sure that this is all laid out flat. I'm gonna go back in with the cutter and just make it a little straighter. I feel like this side is a little bit off. Just go back in and cut that off. Perfect. And that. So I'm gonna turn the skirt inside out. Okay, perfect. I'm just gonna find the sides again. I'm going to take this and just see how much I need to cover when I flip it inside out. So just to pass the time, I put on Lost, which I actually just finished. So let me know if you guys ever watched that show, because overall I am like very upset with that finale. But the show was really good. So this is me binging it, me like contemplating my life, thinking about what I'm doing. I am just pinning the
ends down to like the length that I want it for the elastic to run through. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. You see me like just eyeballing it. So now that I've done that, I'm gonna start stitching it with my sewing machine and just going across with that. Pretty simple, and leaving a little bit of a hole in between so that I can slip the elastic in between. Now you'll see me stitching up that hole where I ran the elastic through. I just used a safety pin and just put it through the whole thing. And now I'm going to turn it inside out, and here is the final look.
Flip I'm going to be doing is this Pier 1 shirt. RIP Pier 1. They're actually closing right now. I used to work at Pier 1, one of the best places I've ever worked. Anyways, I love this shirt still. It's super comfy. I wanted to keep it, but I wanted to like upcycle it a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off the shoulders, and I think I'm going to just put a blue, like I have a shirt that I cut out the sleeves already. I'm like not speaking English. The sleeves already, so I'm gonna just put blue sleeves on it, and I hopefully think that this will work, so we'll see about that.
Please ignore the fact that my sewing machine is being really ratchet. I didn't feel like putting the string on a different bobbin. But anyways, here's the final look.
Sweatshirt that my sister gave me. I don't even know what team this is. The tags are still on it, and she got it for $15, but I'm pretty sure she got it for half of that, so like $7.50, right? That's, yeah, I think that's what the math comes out to. No, because 14 is 7. Yep, $7.50. That was right. Okay, she was getting rid of this sweatshirt. Oh, the Texans, Houston Texans. She actually goes to school in Houston. As you guys, if you didn't see my video, I will link that below of my road trip to Houston, Texas. So anyways, so this is the sweatshirt. I think it's really cute, and I like that it's like two-tone. So what I'm thinking of doing is cutting it down the middle and just using some bobby pins to like attach it back together. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this bottom because it's kind of like flowed at the bottom, and I don't really like that part, so I might trim it, might not, but this might be the easiest thrift flip I'm going to be doing.
I will also link below where I got these off of Amazon. I got a giant pack of these because I feel like I'm going to be doing this to a lot of my clothing. Anyways, here's the final look.
Item I'm going to be flipping is something I already had in my closet. It's this yellow top. I've been trying to donate it for the longest. It's just, I feel like it's such a nice quality like yellow shirt. Like, why just get rid of it so easily when I can do so much with it? So what I'm thinking of doing, I've done this already with another shirt, and just like on the raw edges restitching with a different color. I'm thinking of doing it in black, or maybe like an offset color like red. And just make it look like the raw like seams are on the outside. I know that's a really big trend right now, and I don't really like the flowiness of it, so I'm just going to take it in on the side. So hopefully this all works out because I've never like taken in anything yet, so it might not be even, but that's the idea for this one.
So we were off to a really great start. For this outfit, I just kind of marked where I wanted to take it in, and overall the taking in process wasn't that hard at all. I pinned it down and then just sewed along that line and then cut off the excess fabric. So once I got it to my desired like fit, I wanted to take it a little bit further and make that like outline seam on the outside. And you'll see me doing this here and obviously not knowing how to hold my camera because my sewing machine just shook the shit out of it, but whatever. Yeah. But then I got super lazy and didn't finish this project. So here's the overall look. I think that I would not wear this anywhere, only inside the house. It just like, I think it's the way the fabric was or something. But yeah, very upset with what like came out of this.
Okay guys, so last but not least, this is really funny. Do not laugh. I just said it's funny, but do not laugh. Okay, laugh. So I have these pair of white jeans, right? Quick story. The jeans were in the wash with pink, hot pink biker shorts. I wash all my clothes all at once. So I've never washed those before. So obviously they ran and bled. I didn't know that was gonna happen. So now my white pants are pink. It's like, I bleached them, I washed them again. It's not pink everywhere, like it's obviously like kind of white here, but there's like spots where like are super pink, especially in the front here. So yeah, what I'm thinking of doing is not throwing them away because I do like them a lot. It's just painting on them. I'm either gonna do like a zebra print or some type of cow print, but I think it'll be cute and they'll be super different because it has like little hints of pink in it.
So I'm just taking this iridescent fabric paint that I got from Michael's and mixing it with some black acrylic paint that I got from the Dollar Tree and just a paintbrush. So easily I just squeeze the paint into like any type of dish you might have, and then the iridescent one on top. And I like to mix these two because the iridescent one has little sparkles in it, so it's just an extra hint of cuteness. I just find it to be a lot easier when mixing a fabric paint with acrylic. It's not as harsh on the fabric when I'm painting, and it's a lot easier and smoother and like gliding onto the fabric. Another thing to point out is that the fabric paint is iridescent, so it doesn't change anything with the color, just makes it a little bit sparkly. So yeah. So here's me seeing a bunch of things on Pinterest of people with slits on the side of their jeans. I thought this would be a little more flared out, but again, these are skinny jeans. So I cut the sides just because I thought it would be cuter, and I ended up not even really liking it. It didn't really make anything different, and it wasn't as dramatic as I hoped it would be.
Thank you guys so much for watching my... Before you guys go... Thank you guys so much for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed all the different type of looks I was going for with these clothes. I'm very happy overall with everything. The yellow shirt just didn't work, and like I knew it wasn't gonna work. I need to get a different sewing machine that can actually do more of a zigzag stitch and versus what I like have right now. It did work on that black and white shirt that I have. It looks a little bit cuter, but for the yellow one, I think it's also the material. It kept getting stuck in my sewing machine, so definitely something I need to work on. But yeah, so I love those jeans. I'm gonna freaking wear them all the time now. I don't really think I should have made that slit in them, but like, it doesn't look bad. If I have like black boots, you'll see them on the side, so it'll look pretty cute. Let me know down below if you guys want to see more of these type of thrift flip videos. I am going thrifting again sometime soon this week, so I'm really excited to see what I'm gonna get. I have a ton of clothes. I literally have a bag of clothes that I want to like flip and find like some way I can use them and incorporate them in my everyday outfits without just donating them. But yeah, so let me know down below what you guys think. Before you guys go, don't forget to like and comment on this video and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Again, I upload every Friday. I'm trying to branch out a little more and probably upload twice a week if I can. But right now it's going to be every Friday. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.